The Map of Mistakes, Navigating Life's Detours to True North. A story that teaches life lessons and helps you learn English naturally through storytelling. In the quiet town of Willow Bend, there lived a young man named Eli Turner, known by everyone for one thing: he made mistakes. A lot of them. He took wrong jobs, trusted the wrong friends, chose the wrong paths, and often ended up exactly where he never wanted to be. His life felt like a series of wrong turns on a map he couldn't read. One cold evening, after losing yet another job, Eli sat at the edge of an old wooden bridge. The sun dipped behind the hills, painting the sky in shades of gold and fading orange. "Why does every choice I make go wrong?" he whispered to himself. Just then, an old traveler appeared, carrying a dusty leather satchel and a walking stick carved with strange symbols. "Troubled?" the traveler asked gently. Eli nodded. "I'm lost. Not just today, always." The traveler smiled. "Good. Only lost people begin great journeys." He opened his satchel and pulled out an ancient-looking scroll. "This," he said, "is the map of mistakes." Eli frowned. "A map of mistakes?" "Yes," the traveler replied. "Every mistake you've made carves a new path. The map doesn't show where you should go, it shows where you've been wrong. Follow it, and it will lead you to your true north." Eli hesitated. "But why follow my mistakes?" "Because," the traveler said, "every mistake is a signpost pointing you away from what you are not and toward who you are meant to be." Then the traveler vanished as mysteriously as he came, leaving the scroll glowing faintly in Eli's hands. Chapter 1. The Path of Wrong Friends. The map led Eli to the edge of Willow Bend Forest, where he once trusted a group of friends who betrayed him. He felt the sting again, but this time he understood something. "I wanted their approval so badly that I forgot my own worth." He whispered new words he had never said out loud. "I choose better this time." The map glowed, and a new line appeared, guiding him forward. Chapter 2. The Road of Failed Ambitions. The next stop was the abandoned workshop where he had tried and failed to build his dream business. He remembered the embarrassment, the fear of trying again. But as he touched the cracked wooden table, he saw something he had missed. He had learned skills, gathered experience, and built resilience, things no success could have ever taught him. "Failure didn't end me," he said softly. "It shaped me." The map glowed again. Another path appeared. Chapter 3. The Bridge of Regret. Finally, the map led him back to the old bridge where he had once walked away from someone who truly cared about him. Eli closed his eyes. "That was my worst mistake," he whispered. "I ran because I was scared of being vulnerable." For the first time, he didn't avoid the truth. He embraced it. The map glowed brighter than ever, and all the lines on it converged into a single shining direction: true north. The realization. Eli finally understood. A mistake isn't the end of the road. It's a detour, showing you what not to repeat. Every wrong turn teaches you how to find the right one. You don't need a perfect map. You just need courage to walk, learn, and correct your path. The traveler's voice echoed in Eli's mind. True north is not a place. It's a mindset. Eli walked forward, not perfectly, not fearlessly, but honestly. And that made all the difference. Moral of the story: learn English plus life lesson. Detours teach direction. Mistakes teach mastery. Reflection builds confidence, and every mistake you face becomes part of the guide that leads you to your true north, your purpose. Thank you.